Welcome to Fact Fusion Network, your go-to source for comprehensive insights into the wonders of our world and beyond. Today, we're diving into one of humanity's greatest achievements in space exploration, the International Space Station, a laboratory in orbit. The International Space Station, or ISS, is not just a marvel of engineering, it's a symbol of international cooperation and scientific innovation. Launched in 1998, the ISS has been continuously inhabited since November 2000, making it a hub of scientific research and technological advancements. The ISS is a joint project involving space agencies from the United States, NASA, Russia, Roscosmos, Europe, ESA, Japan, JAXA, and Canada, CSA. This collaboration has led to the assembly of a structure that spans the size of a football field, orbiting Earth at an average altitude of about 400 kilometers. Let's take a closer look inside the ISS. The station consists of several interconnected modules, each serving a unique purpose. The Zvezda module, for instance, is the main living quarters for the crew, while the Destiny module is a key laboratory where many experiments take place. Speaking of experiments, the ISS is a floating laboratory where scientists conduct a wide range of research. These experiments are crucial for advancing our understanding of science and improving life on Earth. For example, studies on microgravity help researchers learn how the human body reacts to prolonged periods in space, which is vital for future long-duration missions to Mars and beyond. In the microgravity environment of the ISS, scientists can conduct experiments that are impossible on Earth. For instance, they can study the behavior of fluids, flames, and materials without the interference of gravity. This research has led to breakthroughs in materials science, medicine, and even agriculture. The ISS also fosters international collaboration. Astronauts and cosmonauts from around the world live and work together, conducting joint experiments and sharing their diverse perspectives. This spirit of cooperation extends to Earth, promoting peaceful relations and mutual understanding among nations. Orbiting Earth at a speed of about 28,000 kilometers per hour, the ISS completes one orbit roughly every 90 minutes. This means the crew experiences 16 sunrises and sunsets each day. Imagine that view. Maintenance and upgrades are a constant necessity on the ISS. Astronauts regularly perform spacewalks, stepping outside the station to repair or install new equipment. These spacewalks are not only critical for the ISS's upkeep but also provide valuable experience for future deep space missions. Life on the ISS is not all work and no play. The crew celebrates holidays, enjoys shared meals, and even engages in recreational activities. These moments of camaraderie are essential for maintaining morale during their long stays in space. Resupply missions are vital for the ISS's operation. Cargo spacecraft regularly dock with the station, delivering food, equipment, and scientific instruments. These missions ensure that the crew has everything they need to continue their important work. Looking ahead, the ISS serves as a testbed for technologies and techniques that will be used in future space exploration. Lessons learned on the ISS are paving the way for humanity's return to the Moon and our eventual journey to Mars. The International Space Station stands as a testament to what humanity can achieve when we work together. It's a beacon of hope, knowledge, and innovation, orbiting high above us, bridging the gap between Earth and the cosmos. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the incredible world of the International Space Station. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to Fact Fusion Network for more fascinating content on space, science, and history. Until next time, keep exploring.